Hey, I'm Nadine. There are a couple of ways you can easily find your game on your Dish VIP receiver. Let me show you. The first is by browsing your guide. Look to channels 2 through 70 for sports on local networks, 140 through 159 for national sports, and 407 through 439 for regional sports. Channel availability depends on your programming subscription. View your customized channel lineup by downloading the MyDish app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. You can also search for your game. Press the search button on your remote and then enter your team's name. You can then choose a theme and sub-theme if desired to further filter results. Select Get Results and you'll see a schedule of what's coming up or currently in progress. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.